Hello again, friends. We're back again with the MPC Sample, and today we're going to expand on the fader functions. As always, if you guys happen to like my content, feel free to like and subscribe. So in previous videos, I did talk about the fader, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to expand on all of its attributes, all of its functions. So if you hold Shift and you press the 9 pad, you're presented with a menu, and in this menu, you have a series of fader functions. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sweep through each of them so you can hear the effects of them. I have a sample pulled up. Okay. All right. So the first of our options is the pad volume. Pretty obvious, right? You can control the volume of the individual pad. All right. Next, pan. So basically you can sweep back and forth between left and right speakers, or should I say you are increasing and decreasing the volumes of the left and right speakers respectively. I spoke on that in one of my previous videos. Pad tune, you can change the tuning of your pad. All right, next up, amp attack. At its lowest setting, we have 0 milliseconds worth of attack. If I move up, there's a slight delay on the start of the sample. And then if we move it all the way up, there's a extremely long delay as it relates to the start of the sample. Okay, so basically it just delays when the sample starts after the pad is tapped. Decay, it's the antithesis. How long does it take for the pad to shut off? The sample is probably not the best example of how that would work because it's very ethereal. Cutoff. So basically it's a low pass filter. Stop the sample. And then ultimately you have the overall volume of your kit. So if I want to decrease the volume of the entire kit as opposed to addressing the pads autonomously, I can do that. And that pretty much does it for fader functions. I'm hoping that you guys found that useful. If you guys happen to have any questions about anything that just happened here today, please feel free to leave set questions in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back with you. Thanks.